Hey, what is up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to block ads on any of the websites you visit. So first you'll need to go to Chrome Web Store and you'll need to get Adblock. It's offered by getadblock.com. So I already have it over here. So what it actually does is, like, when you go to a website, it blocks all the ads. So right now it's not going to show any ads because I already got installed. I'm going to go to youtube.com, and if there's an ad that it does block, you can block it yourself. So there's actually no ads over here. So if there are any ads, you'll just go to over here and you can say, if you wanna look at the ad, pause on this app, and then you can go, and if you wanna block an ad that doesn't show, that it does shows, you can play block an ad on this page, and you can click on it and it blocks it. So currently I don't see any ads, so I'm just gonna cancel it. So that's it, guys. This is how you block any ads on the websites you visit. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share this video.